Good afternoon, distinguished chairs and colleagues and participants. It's a great pleasure to honor to join PEMNA session and to exchange experience with colleagues working in PFM across the region. Here is the outlines of my presentation. My name is Saruul Nyamdavaa. I am head of Payment and Settlement Division of Treasury Department of Ministry of Finance of Mongolia. Today I would like to share Mongolia's experience in digitalizing Treasury with practical focus on our portal system. The key reforms supporting our broader public financial management modernization. In this presentation, I will not only describe the system itself, but also highlight the policy rational implementation approach and the lessons learned. As you can see here, a key enabling factor in this transformation was Mongolia's strong legal and institutional framework. The law on the national payment system provides the foundation for payment operations, and assigning the Bank of Mongolia responsible for our regulation, oversight, and system stability. Treasury operation regulation has been reaffirmed by government in 2023, and the legal basis for authorizing budget expenditures and executing government payments. At the same time, Treasury operations are governed by national regulations, and that defines authorization expenditures, execution of payments, and the management of the Treasury single account. This framework ensures that all transactions are conducted in a controlled, transparent, and in an accountable manner. Importantly, it also provides the legal basis in introducing digital solution, ensuring that innovation doesn't compromise financial integrity or control. Mongolia's approach to treasury reform has been incremental, structured, and strategical. Over the years, we have implemented key milestones such as establishment of centralized treasury system, introduction of the treasury single account, and deployment of the government financial management information system, transition toward web-based platforms. Since 2021, those efforts have been accelerated under Mongolia's long-term development policy, Vision 2050, which emphasizes digital governance and modernization. This long-term alignment has been essential in ensuring consistency, coordinating, and sustainability. Let me begin by explaining why this transformation became necessary. Traditionally, Mongolia's treasury operations relied heavily on paper-based documentation and a manual verification process and physical submission and approval workflow. While this system ensured compliance, it also created structural inefficiencies. For example, single transaction required multiple physical steps, and documents had to be transported between institutions. I like these ones. Okay. Treasury Treasury manually entered data into system. As a result, we experienced delays in execution, increased administrative workload, high risk of a human error, and limited real-time visibility for decision makers. So, as we can see here, in 1993, Treasury Department has been first established. In 2002, we make some changes in the law and moved into Treasury single account. In 2005, we introduced the first version of a GFMIS, the Government Financial Management Information System. In 2018, we updated the system into web-based version. In 2020, web services have been developed and deployed. So since this time, we were able to interact with the other systems. In 2021, accelerated digital transformation, which is now we are using the portal system this year. 2024 and 23 and 25, we implemented the IBAN international bank account in numbering and also the vendors updates. At the same time, expectations from stakeholders, there is a now clear demand of faster, more transparent, and more accountable public services. So therefore, digital transformation become not just a modernization effort, but a necessary reform to strengthen fiscal governance. This system enhance efficiency, productivity, and the operational control by transforming treasury transaction into fully digital process. The scope of the system is comprehensive. It includes central treasury operations and line ministries and agencies, local governments, and more than 4,000 budget entities. This makes the portal system nationwide digital platform for managing public financial transaction. The portal system fundamentally changes how the transactions are processed. Previously, budget entities prepared paper documents and submitted them physically. Treasury staff manually verified and entered data. Now, the transactions are submitted electronically and approval workflows are automated. Payments are executed through integrated systems. In addition, the system includes electronic signature to secure authorization and system integrations with the GFMIS and other platforms, remote access, and removing geographic constraints. This transformation significantly reduces processing the time while improving accuracy, control, and traceability. So the portal systems, who does the portal system serve? You can see the budget entities and treasury staffs and other government institutions. And it has a couple of models, which is billing, expenditure, reporting, and obligation and commitment, revenue, budget control. And let me explain the core models. The expenditure model is for automates the full payment life cycle, ensuring faster processing and stronger control. And the revenue model supports automated and scheduled revenue collection, improving predictability of inflows. The billing model enables electronic invoicing and reducing delays and administrative burden. We have a commitment and application model, but currently we're not using this model, so I'll just pass it. And the reporting model provides real-time financial information and flexible reporting tools. Together, those models create a fully integrated end-to-end digital workflow, linking planning and execution and reporting. Impact of the portal system is significant. For budget entities, it reduces paperwork, faster processing, and improved accessibility. For Treasury, increased efficiency and productivity, and stronger expenditure control, better resource management. There is also the several challenges remain. One key challenge is the system integration, particularly linking budget preparation and execution. Another is data consistency and interoperability across institutions. In the conclusion, in my experience, it shows that digitalizing Treasury operation is a strategic reform, not just a technical upgrade. The portal system represents major steps toward fully digital Treasury, greater efficiency and transparency, and stronger fiscal governance. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention. I look toward to exchanging experiences and learning from other PEMNA member countries. Thank you.